Hi everybody, it's the editor here from robinhooddashcam. I hope you're well, staying safe, and as always, are enjoying the videos. And welcome back to the latest video in the Buy Me a Coffee series. This is video number 3, and big thank you to Robin Hood Dashcam fan Jay Nottingham-born, who again has bought me a drink. Thank you so much. If you'd like to buy me a drink and show your appreciation, simply head to the link in the video description and all the comments. Simply follow the instructions through that, and I will make you a thank you video and give you a shout out as well. So if that's of interest, head on over. Would really like to continue this little series. I'm quite enjoying the little drinks, to be honest with you, so trying a lot of stuff I don't normally have. And that kind of brings me on to this one. This was an interesting one. This was brought from the Co-op in Sherwood, if you know where that is. And this was a bit of an interesting one. I'll just show you what I found. Yeah, that's interesting, isn't it? When you think of soft drinks, you don't think of mixing the flavour of Coca-Cola with cookies, do you? Let's be honest. But here we are. So here we are. This is Coca-Cola Zero with Oreo. It's a limited run. I don't know if it's available anywhere else, but it's available in Britain. Yeah, so pretty standard stuff. Zero sugar, no calories, just all chemicals and flavourings, really. I was a little bit dubious about trying this. To be honest with you, I do drink sugar-free stuff anyway, typically. I don't normally have full-fat stuff. But yeah, so I guess bottoms up, here we go. Let's see what happens. Yeah, so barely filled one of my small IKEA glasses, but here we go. Taste test. Do you know what? That wasn't that bad. That was pretty good, actually. You do get simply sugar-free Coke initially, but I'm really impressed with that. That is really, really good. And then you get a aftertaste of biscuits. That works, apparently. There you go. So yeah, would recommend that if you can get hold of Coca-Cola Zero and Oreo. It does seem a bit weird, if I'm honest with you, but I suppose suspend your disbelief a little bit and go for it. To be honest with you, as I say, when it first hits your tongue, it tastes of cola, and then the aftertaste is very biscuity and Oreo-y. If you've had Oreo biscuits or cookies, no, we're England with biscuits, then yeah, enjoy, and you enjoy them, sorry, then yeah, go ahead, try it. It's a laugh. Not the worst thing I've ever tried. Going forward, I'll see if I can find some more weird flavours and whatnot. I might even do the odd weird flavoured alcoholic drink as well. Don't drink and drive, of course. But yeah, for now, that's it. Thank you again for Jay Nottingham-born for that. Thank you for the Oreo Cola. And yeah, take care, and I'll see you soon. Cheerio.